Welcome to LightLeap Labs. The natural world seldom fails to surprise us. Full of wonder and beauty, it is a source of endless fascination. Yet, for all its marvels, the animal kingdom is often misunderstood. We construct narratives around creatures, weaving tales that are passed down through generations, often bearing little resemblance to reality. Today we embark on a journey to debunk some of these enduring myths, to shed light on the truth about our animal counterparts. Let's dive in. Our first subject, the bat, often finds itself unfairly demonized. These creatures of the night, shrouded in darkness, are often labeled as blind. This, however, couldn't be further from the truth. While some species may possess small eyes, their vision is far from absent. In fact, many bats can see quite well, particularly at night, relying on their sight to navigate and forage. But their sensory prowess doesn't end there. Bats have evolved an extraordinary adaptation known as echolocation. Emitting high-pitched sounds, they use the echoes that bounce back from objects to create a detailed map of their surroundings. This sophisticated system allows them to navigate effortlessly in complete darkness, detecting obstacles, prey, and even the subtle texture of surfaces. Picture a bat flitting through a dense forest, a cacophony of sounds bombarding its sensitive ears. With each echo, it paints a vivid picture of its world, effortlessly dodging branches, zeroing in on the fluttering wings of insects. It is a symphony of sound, a testament to the power of adaptation, a far cry from the myth of blindness that often surrounds them. So, the next time you see a bat swooping through the twilight sky, remember, it is not a creature lost in darkness, but a master navigator using sound to see the world in a way we can only imagine. Now let's turn our attention to a more familiar creature, often confined to the confines of a glass bowl, the goldfish. These shimmering companions, with their seemingly perpetual smiles, are often dismissed as having terrible memories, their little lives a blur of forgotten moments. This, my friends, is another misconception. Goldfish, while perhaps not contenders for intellectual giants, are far from forgetful. Studies have shown that they can remember things for months, not seconds. They can be trained to recognize their owners, associate certain colors or shapes with food, and even navigate simple mazes. Their memories, while perhaps not as complex as our own, serve them well in their underwater world. Imagine a goldfish in its tank, a world of shimmering light and swaying plants. It remembers the corner where food is dispensed, the time of day when its human companion approaches, the flash of color that signals a tasty treat. It is a world of learned behaviors, of associations made and remembered, a far cry from the blank slate we often attribute to them. So next time you gaze upon a goldfish, remember there is more to these creatures than meets the eye. Beneath those shimmering scales lies a capacity for memory that defies the myth of the forgetful fish. Finally, we arrive at a creature that often evokes fear and revulsion in equal measure, the daddy longlegs. With their spindly limbs and erratic movements, they are often mistaken for spiders and branded as the most venomous creatures on Earth. This, however, is a misnomer built upon a foundation of misinformation. Firstly, daddy longlegs, or harvestmen as they are also known, are not spiders at all. They belong to a distinct order of arachnids, characterized by their fused body segments and lack of silk glands. Secondly, and perhaps more reassuringly, they are completely harmless to humans. They possess no venom glands, no fangs, and pose no threat to our well-being. Their long, delicate legs are not weapons of attack, but tools for navigating their world. They are scavengers, feeding on decaying plant matter, fungi, and the occasional small insect. Their presence in our gardens is beneficial, helping to break down organic matter and maintain a healthy ecosystem. So the next time you encounter a daddy longlegs, take a moment to appreciate its delicate beauty, its role in the intricate web of life. Don't fear its spindly limbs or succumb to the myth of its venomous nature. Remember, it is a harmless harvester, a testament to the diversity and wonder of the natural world. The animal kingdom is full of surprises, constantly challenging our assumptions and reminding us of the wonders that lie beyond our doorstep. By dispelling myths and embracing scientific understanding, we can foster a deeper appreciation for the creatures that share our planet. Which myth surprised you the most? Drop a bat emoji in the comments if you've ever believed one of these myths. And don't forget to follow LightLeap Labs for more myth-busting facts. See you next time.